This is their reaction to a shop vac. Mind you, it was all by the bathroom door before this started. There goes the brave one into the kitchen. It's hilarious. Bunch of scaredy cats.